Imagine losing an area of untouched wilderness larger than the entire state of Florida. That's 58.5 million acres of pristine forests, vital ecosystems, and irreplaceable wildlife habitats. This isn't a distant threat. It's a current reality we face. Policies are being proposed that would strip away crucial protections from these lands. This opens the door to widespread development, road construction, and resource extraction in areas that have remained wild for centuries. The consequences are devastating and permanent. These lands are home to countless species, from majestic bears and elusive wolves to rare birds and delicate plant life. They are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon and providing clean air and water. Once these wild spaces are fragmented or destroyed, they are gone forever. There's no undoing the loss of ancient forests or the extinction of a species. The value of these wild places extends beyond their ecological importance. They are a part of our shared natural heritage. They offer solace, inspiration, and a connection to the natural world that is increasingly rare. Losing them diminishes us all. Across the nation, passionate individuals and organizations are speaking up, raising awareness, and fighting to defend these precious landscapes. They are advocating for stronger protections and reminding decision makers of the immense value of our public lands. Every voice adds to this crucial effort. This is our chance to stand up for the wild beauty that remains. We must act now to ensure these vital ecosystems endure for future generations. Don't let these wild places vanish without a fight. Speak up, educate yourself, and support conservation efforts. Like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more content dedicated to protecting our planet's incredible wildlife and natural wonders.